Only the best day ever in house.
Ito yung baha dito sa Merville Subdivision, Tansa na po. Kasi sira pa yung Megatech. Hindi pa kaya ng mga pumping. Tapos yung isang pumping dito sa may ilang-ilang ginagawa. Nilakihan pala. Kaya hindi pa napapagana ito.
Oh, finally. Okay, never mind, not finally. I'm still getting wet.
Tulog.
Oh! Never mind, I'm not getting wet anymore.
Ito mo lang dito. Yan. Yan.
Why is happening? One is okay, but the other rest is not okay. Oh my God! The water's coming in the wall. What?
Ayun, yung banda dun sa atin, wala pang baha.
Okay naman. Because I was gonna try to badminton.
Okay, badminton tayo. Ito guys, malapit na kami sa bahay namin. Yun lamang guys.